Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
Welcome back, Flavor Chasers. This is Christmas leftovers. So you got your carcass, shred the meat. Any meat you've got on it, from the back, the breast, the legs, everything. Everything from out inside. Remember what we did? Tomato, celery, put that to the side. All the juice from the tray, put that into a pan ready. That will turn into a lovely jellified stock. We're going to use that for a base of the curry. Christmas leftover things. What this will do, it'll make a lovely base. Look at that. All that flavour, all that veg, chili, garlic, everything. It's so easy. Oh my. After as little as 2 hours, look. Jellified already. Ain't even in the fridge. All that marrow, all that flavour from the Christmas turkey, chicken, anything. We're going to come with some potato. We're going to have cauliflower. Everything lock off. Trust me, it's going to be the tastiest Boxing Day curry. It must be a normal thing, the Boxing Day curry. Cauliflower, see it there? Just bang it all in. We're hungover. We ain't messing about. Like, come on. If you've got a big tub full of the cooked veg left over, bang it in. Roast potatoes, anything. We're just chucking it in. We're going to make a nice curry. See the pot there? I'm cooking this off because there was nothing left after mine. It was all gone. Greedy, innit? But there was nothing left apart from a little bit of chicken. So this is improvisation. Bam. Ground coriander. Turmeric. Bay leaves. Oh, mustard seeds, cardamom pods, and curry powder. Just sweat off your veg. Just get some heat into it. It's no biggie. You're not gonna, you're gonna simmer it anyway. Then get your spices in. You want to toast them when it's nice and dry. Don't ever put them in. Don't ever put them in when it's just, you see there's something where wet up and you put the spice in it not incorporate good. You have to, just toast it up, man. Trust me. Don't burn them though. In with your stock. Remember that jellified stock? If you ain't got this, boil your kettle, add a bit of hot water and a chicken stock cube. It's minor, but trust me, the flavour when you use that, the juice that chicken had excreted. It's a bad word, but still. Now that your veg and everything's excreted again, blood. You want to get your bay leaves in there, your cardamom pods, 1 or 2, not too many. You don't want to crunch down on one of them bad boys. No water yet, no stock cube, nothing. See how much water that cauliflower has let out, man. You don't need, trust me, it's how you get watery curry. Don't add water. You can add it, but you can never take it away. Now we're going to make some rice. Quick ting, look, bam, finger to the knuckle, bit of salt, cream coconut, bang that in there. No messing, lid on, high heat. Now back to the curry. Look at that. Oh, now the cauliflower's tender. See how it's breaking up nicely. It's time for the chicken and that, you know. Now we bang this in. Christmas leftovers, blood. Come on. And if you've got thingy, if you've got any like roast potatoes, anything left over, just bang it in here. Sprouts the lot. It's a beautiful Boxing Day meal when you're hanging and you can't be bothered. You've had an excruciatingly long day. You know, you're a mom, you got kids, they're doing your head in. This is a good one for you. Lovely. Yeah. Comment below if you want to know how to cook rice properly. Because there's a couple recipes on the channel, I can't lie. But if you want to delve into that, just click the side and you can see. Lovely jubbly. Rice is nearly cooked. Oh my lord, look at her. Oh, fluffy. Oh, you can't do it like man, you know. You can't do it like man. We're gonna booze you up a bit. It's Boxing Day. It's Christmas time. Bang, rice. Lift off. 3, 2, 1. Houston, we have rice. Lovely little dish there. Baby. Come behind that with your curry. Lovely Christmas Day curry. Even better if you've got turkey and beef and everything else is cooked perfectly already. You can just bang that in as well. Look at the colours, man. Oh, if you got some chickpeas or something. Something ton up, blood. Oh, yes. Coriander on top. Fresh coriander. Oh, I love, it's my custom tomato. Yes. And the pièce de résistance, mango chutney. Homemade. There's a video for that on the channel too, because we don't mess about, blood. We've been busy in the late stages of 2020. Like and subscribe. Love you lot. Bye.
Neighbor Station.